Hey guys, and welcome to another CS tutorial on this channel. In this tutorial we're going to be learning about display and visibility. We're also going to be learning about the different display values, visibility, and the meaning of block level element and inline element. What is an inline element? An inline element continues in one line and takes up as much width as necessary. For example, there are different inline elements such as the A tag, the image tag, and the span tag. What is a block level element? A block level element breaks a line and takes up a full width of the page. There are different block elements such as the div, the h1 to h6, the p, which is the paragraph, the header, footer, and the section. So let's get on to Sublime Text. Here we are on Sublime Text, and let's go through the first step. So for the first step, you need a list. So that's like a common thing right here. So for the inline display, for the inline display right here. So here you could do an unordered or ordered list right here, and then here you could just put li and then put anything you want between it. You could put like 4 or 5 lists right here in the unordered or ordered list. And here, once you've done that, go into design.css, and all you have to do is just do li. So we're not gonna put li dot like inline, because that's the only list that we got right here out of this whole HTML file. And yeah, so just put display and put inline right here. And then here, once you've done that, just save it. Oh no, Control S. Then go into your file. Go into your file right here. So yeah, so right here, yeah. So it'll be it'll be on the same line as it's a list right here. Oh no, yeah, right here. So if we just get rid of that, for example, let's just get rid of that. It'll be on different lines. So just get rid of that right here. Then go back, and then here, yeah. So it'll be a list right here. But then once we put inline, so if we put li display inline, then here just save that. Then go into your file right here, or your browser, then right here will say whatever you put right here. So yeah, that was inline. So we could also go, so here, let's go through the second step right here right now. So if we we'll do the both tags right here and then put span, then right here put span, and then put hello, this is a YouTube video. And then here for the second bit, I'm just gonna drop my hands on the keyboard. And if you just save that, then go back on here, then put span dot, or just put span in. So if you just put span, and then here we could just put oh yeah, so display, then block. So here, so right now, so yeah, so if we just go back onto our onto the web browser right here. So yeah, so right here it'll be on a different line right there. So but then if we get rid of it, it'll be on the same line. So if you just get rid of that right here, it'll be on the same line. So yeah, so that's inline or just block right there. So yeah, so that was block, and then we're gonna go through the visibility as well. So so yeah, so right here, if we just go back, and then we could do it to a header as well. So we could go to h1 or h2. You know what, we'll just get rid of this class right here. Or actually, we could just make a different class. So if we do h1 again, so this time we might need a class, and then right here if we put h1 there, and then if we put this is invisible, and then if we just save that, and then let's go back right here to the design.css file. Then if we go h1.hide or hidden, or whatever you want you want to call it. If we do visibility, then hidden. So if you just save that, save both of that, and then here if we go on the browser back again, so right here it will show. So where do we put, yeah, so this is invisible, but we haven't put the class in yet. So if we just put class, then if we put hide, we put, so if we just save that, go back, and then here you can't see it anymore, and like you could tell because there is a big gap between this icon and where it says this is a shadow text. So right here, if we just cross that, and if we just take that out, then here if we go back, oh no, right here, yeah, so it will show right there. So yeah, so this is actually pretty useful, the invisible, because we know where it is, where the header is right there. So yeah, so that was the visibility right there. So in this tutorial we went through the visibility, which is the hide, the inline, the block, and that was it. So let's go on to the CSS questions. So here are the CSS questions, and let's go through the questions. So for number one, how many definitions did we go through in the tutorial? Number 2, name 3 examples from the inline block element, and number 3, what is the block level element? So I'll give you a few seconds. So hopefully you've answered all those questions. If you haven't, just pause the video before we get onto the answers. So now let's go onto the answers right now. So for number 1, we went through 2 definitions. Number 2, the A, image and span tag, and number 3, a block level element breaks a line and takes up a full width of the page. So hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more tutorials like these in the future, as next video we're going to be learning about how to use your phone as a face cam. So if you want to learn more about CSS and other tips, make sure to check out the playlist, and I'll see you in the next video.